35, and he's...
Actually, I was doing 42.
Oh, okay.
Looks just like a tow truck, though, not a plow.
Right.
What?
Well, not behind.